Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video number 37, we are going to learn how to implement generic function in Rust. For that, we are going to use the example of calculator function. So let us start. For that, I have already created a class number 37 generic function and we have a main also. So here I create two variable. I say num1 equal to 34, let num2 equal to 45 like this, and here I say cal, I pass num1 and num2 here, that will display the sum. So I say here fn cal and here I say num1 of t type and num2 of t type. I am using single generic variable here like integer, and here what I say let result equal to num1 plus num2, and here I just print, I say result equal to, then I say result. Nothing special, simple one. And now I try to call it. I say cargo run, and you will see we have an error. First error that we have to specify the data type. So I say in generic this t, so this t I am using as a generic variable. Now once again I try to execute and it's showing error that you are adding these value but you are not using a threads add. So for that also I need to use here, I say std operations, then I say add. So I have to use add also here. So I say add and here I say output equal to t, like this we have to use. Then once again I run it and it's saying that you are displaying the record, that's why you have to use display also. So I say here plus and I say display also, and for that I use here std fmt display, like this I have to use. Then I try to execute it and you see that we have the output. Suppose I want floating value, I say like this one, run once again and you will see that we have a data in floating format also. So you can do anything, you can pass float value, integer value, because we are passing this data type here, generic data type. So in place of this addition, suppose I want multiplication, suppose I say I want multiplication as a calculation, then you will see that there is an error also. In place of addition you have to use multiplication. So here in place of this you have to use multiplication, and in place of add you have to use multiplication, like this, remember that. So run once again, now you have a multiplication also. So like that way you can create your generic function in Rust programming language. Here intentionally I am using a single variable, but if you want to use double variable, means here t, here u, then you will have more error and more types of problems will come. So try to test yourself, solve those error. If you would be able to solve those problems, then you would have a mastery in generic programming of Rust. So I think now you understand how to implement generic function in Rust. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.